whisk together, mastering a key cooking phrase in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's not only useful in everyday English but also essential in the world of cooking. Whisk together. Whether you're a language learner or a budding chef, understanding this phrase will add flavor to your English vocabulary and your culinary skills. First, let's break down the phrase. Whisk is a verb that means to mix or stir quickly and lightly with a utensil, usually a whisk. A whisk is a cooking tool made of wires that are joined together at the handle and spread out into a curved shape at the other end. When you whisk something together, you're rapidly mixing ingredients until they are blended. This action is common in recipes, especially when dealing with liquids or semi-liquids like eggs, cream, or sauces. Whisking is more than just mixing. It's about incorporating air into the ingredients, which can change their texture. For example, when you whisk egg whites vigorously, they become fluffy and form peaks, a crucial step in recipes like meringue or soufflés. Understanding the context of whisk together in a recipe helps you know how vigorously and how long to whisk. A common mistake learners and new cooks make is confusing whisk together with other mixing methods like stirring or beating. Remember, whisking is a lighter, quicker motion. Here's a tip. When a recipe says, whisk until smooth, keep whisking until there are no lumps and the mixture has a uniform consistency. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, whisk together, with confidence in both your English conversations and your cooking adventures. Happy learning and happy cooking! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language and cooking tips. See you in the next video.